Hi, Jeff. I'm Warren Davis, and this is my lovely wife, Shalay. And I remember I met you a few years back at an options trading seminar in Los Angeles. And what I remember about you is your personable nature made it very easy for me to share with you, my experiences in the option trading world. And at the time, I hadn't had a lot of success. Uh, and I remember you sharing your concepts with myself and a couple of my colleagues about selling monthly options. And so immediately when I got back to the Bay Area, I purchased Credit Spreads Made Simple program, and I began to trade the monthly options. And quite honestly, when I was trading the monthly options, it wasn't quite enough action for me. So I decided to go off and try to do some day trading. And with actually having little or no success with the day trading, I came back to the Credit Spread Made Simple program and began to trade monthly again. You then last year hosted a webinar where you introduced how to trade weekly options. And finally, I felt like I had found my niche in the marketplace, in that vast market. So I purchased the Credit Spread Made Simple 3.0 program. And quite honestly, it has changed our life. We have now been able to trade at such a level that we've been able to replace my wife's current income in corporate America. And then this enables us, positions her to actually come off of her job and to pursue her lifelong dream in the music world. As a matter of fact, we're at a studio right now doing some recording.
Yes, I'm so excited that we have this opportunity and what this has enabled my husband and I to do, and to be able to have freedom, financial freedom.
And Jeff, without a doubt, Credit Spread Made Simple 3.0 has changed our life, our financial picture in such a way. It's allowed us to realize income that we've never realized before. And I'm using the conservative style, not even the aggressive. The aggressive a couple of times, and I've been extremely successful with that as well. But with this program, we finally have been able to realize our real power, freedom, and peace of mind where it comes to our future. And we just want to say thank you.
Thank you.